Watch this, you know. The question was, you feel say better at the dancehall than the soca thing? This is what him say. Listen.
We just figure say you're better at the dancehall thing than the soca thing.
And the dancehall me do still in a rap me do, you know.
Yeah.
I always consider myself as a rapper still.
Hey.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Skimmer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Byron Messia, Dear Dancehall. So since him forward with him big song, him giant hit, there's been a lot of critics because some talks that was made that the fans wasn't happy, the Jamaican community, Jamaican fans, Jamaican dancehall fraternity wasn't happy with. Of course, I don't know. I'm not getting into that shit. So he's got a song. I think he's addressing everything that's going on. So this one is produced by Happilus Records. So you know Happilus Jamaican. So Happilus Records. So True Believers Entertainment as well. Dear Dancehall, Byron Messia. Let's go. Hold on. Wait. Before we go, do this, please. Look at this. Sorry to cut your reaction video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_verse_gamer. Reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video. Alright, now you see that? Let's go.
We just figure say you're better at the dancehall thing than the soca thing.
And the dancehall me do still in a rap me do, you know.
Yeah.
I always consider myself as a rapper still.
Hey.
Yeah, man. A dancehall artist, my rapper. You know? So the sound I want make me a rapper, basically. So yeah, like that.
Alright. So that's what was Nightly Fix. Big up Nightly Fix, by the way. That was Nightly Fix. That was Naro from Nightly Fix asking him a question. So he must say, yo, he doesn't do dancehall, him do hip hop. He say hip hop, him say my rapper. Sorry, him say my rapper. So obviously he might address that now. Alright, that's not the intro, so I don't know where I go on. Let's go.
The sound I want make me a rapper, basically. So yeah, like that.
Dear dancehall, me never mean fi offend nobody. So what the fuck them a talk about savvy? And I talk about me not rate nobody.
Dear Dancehall. So him address dancehall. Like I said, Dear Dancehall. Dear Dancehall, me never mean fi offend nobody. So what the fuck them a talk about sorry? Yeah?
So what the fuck them a talk about savvy? And I talk about me not rate nobody. When me have a song with 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Valley.
So I'm not talking to me not rate nobody. But I have song with dancehall artists. I have song with 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐿𝐍, governor. You don't know, big up 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐿𝐍. I have song with Valiant. So when I say me not rate dancehall, like me not rate nobody in a dancehall, that don't make no sense.
And I talk about me not rate nobody. When me have a song with 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐿𝐍 and Valley. And me say dear dancehall, you know see her news them a carry. No man we worry when she not hear from me.
Dear dancehall, you know say wrong news them a carry. Furthermore, me know some my mother worry when she not hear from me. Me know that. So, what go on? What go on?
Cause them a get me heart dark like Ali. Heart full of cut but I never hear line. Same time and rise them on me drop the same time.
Heart full of cut but I never earline. Earline, cut, haircut, earline. Heart full of cut but I never earline. So he must say basically the same time him rise, they want him drop, they want him fall. Like, they don't want to see my win. That's how it is.
Heart full of cut but I never hear line. Same time and rise them on me drop the same time. Been a pray for be a rapper since me drop a grade 9. If me thief style and I must see ride wave style.
Been a pray for be a rapper since year 9. If me thief style, then I must ride wave style. So, them have it for say, or the people them have say, not them have it. The dancehall fraternity have say, him thief. Jeff Fully Arthur style, Jeff Fully Arthur song. So he must say, yo, that can never be. If it thief anybody's style, I must ride with because me been a plan for the rapping from them time.
I pray for be a rapper since me drop a grade 9. If me thief style, then I must ride wave style. I miss a dear dancehall. How me fit this is same place where me band. That a Kingston, Shoes Land, Garrison. Me want
Dear dancehall, how me fit this the same place where me band. That a Shoes Land, Kingston. So if I tell you say you're a Jamaica in band, so how me fit this it? Not because me not grow up in Jamaica, that means say yo, me chose stone behind me. I still my place. That's what the G say.
how me fit this is same place where me band. That a Kingston, Shoes Land, Garrison. Me want to do it greater than Shaggy and Sean Paul. Want to do it bigger than any of them.
Say more to do it bigger than Shaggy and Sean Paul. That is a task though. That is a fucking task to be bigger than Shaggy and Sean Paul, greater than Rihanna them. That is a, I know say Rihanna come from the Caribbean as well, so that is a task, bro. That is a task, man. Do it.
Me want to do it greater than Shaggy and Sean Paul. Want to do it bigger than any of them. Me see a comment the other day about influence and mocha, but them have to know me full of bang of friends.
Same see a comment the other day where that them talk about. Remember that he is an influencer. Him influence the youth them and mocha and Ray. I'm telling you something about comments, cause me see every comments, but me don't make comments bother me. Like some comments just, if you sit down and read comments show you off. And since me start the reaction, me know about that. Over this time of the gaming world, if me live and somebody says something to me, in the comment section, me adjust it there and then I leave it. If me feel to adjust it. Or the moderators then will adjust it and do what they need to do. But when you sit down and read comments, bro, comments will show you off. Comments will break your mess. You have to be mentally strong. You see me? So, me don't make comments bother me, bro. Me don't make comments bother me, fam. Thank you for being on the video. Thank you for giving me a view. Thank you for commenting, because the more you comment, the more the video get pushed to other people. So, thank you, no. You understand? Yeah. I don't get a lot of bad comments. I must say, I don't get a lot of bad comments. You see me? So, big up the people, them. Big up the people in the comment section. Big up on the
Shaggy and Sean Paul. Want to do it bigger than any of them. Me see a comment the other day about influence and mocha, but them have to know me full of bang of friends. Dear dancehall, me never mean to offend nobody. So what the fuck them a talk about sorry? And I talk about me not rate nobody. When me have a song with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. And me say dear dancehall, you know see a wrong news them a carry. No man worry when she not hear from me. Cause them a get me a dark like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Me a dancehall artist, yes, but me a live a rapper lifestyle.
Me a dancehall artist, yes, but me a live a rapper lifestyle. Okay, all right. So what make you live a dance? To me, he might contradict himself here, so I don't know why. Cause in the intro, Naro asked him the question, and he must say, yo, he's a rapper. So yeah, say no, he's a dancehall artist, yes. First he's a rapper, now he's a dancehall artist. I don't know. Am I reading it wrong? Am I reading what he's saying wrong? I don't know. Cause 1 minute you say you're a dancer, next minute you say you're a rapper. Now you say you're a dancehall artist, yes, but you live a rapper lifestyle. Me understand the part there. Don't get it wrong. Me understand the part there when you say I live a rapper lifestyle. You understand? Cause rapper lifestyle is different from a dancehall artist lifestyle. We know that. But you come back to saying you're a dancehall artist. So when Naro asks you the question, so what were they? 1 minute 30. All right, let's go back for a second.
We just figure say you're better at the dancehall thing than the soca thing.
And the dancehall me do still.
So the question was, you feel you're better at the dancehall thing than the soca thing. Watch this now. The question was, you feel you're better at the dancehall than the soca thing? This is what I'm saying. Listen.
We just figure say you're better at the dancehall thing than the soca thing.
And the dancehall me do still in a rap me do, you know.
Yeah.
I always consider myself as a rapper still.
Hey.
And a dancehall me do, a rap me do. And a dancehall me do, a rap me do. Alright? Let's go back now to 130 now. So let's start at 128, 127.
Cause them a get me a dark like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Me a dancehall artist, yes, but me a live a rapper lifestyle.
You're a dancehall artist, yes, but you live a rapper life. Bro, you contradict your fucking self, dog. You contradict your fucking self, Byron. This is what people are having the problems with, bro. When you talk, you not talk. We understand what you're saying, don't get it wrong, you know. But you not talk clear, bro. You not talk with sense, because you contradict yourself and you constantly contradict yourself, bro. You see me? I'm a fan of your music. I like your music. I'm not bash you. I'm not doing none of that. So the people may go forward in the comment section now and say, yo, this and that. No, it's none of that. None of that. Promise you, none of that. Me just go back and show you the evidence what him say. Man, ask you say, if you consider yourself, if you think you're better at doing dancehall than the soca music, him say he's a dancehall artist. Then him go back and say,
no, man, we worry when she not hear from me. Cause them a get me a dark like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Me a dancehall artist, yes.
Me a dancehall artist, yes. So further and you say you're a rapper. And a dancehall you do a rapper.
Cause them a get me a dark like 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Me a dancehall artist, yes. But me a live a rapper lifestyle. If you ask so far, me a chat for me tell you more than 9 miles. Watch the cars, we a damn drive. And me have the matic pants stand by. For the haters want me damn die. Oh, die.
It's just a fusion of the sounds of the rap world mixed with the dancehall sound. You have to
Which
remember
are basically the sound right now.
yeah, that's just the sound.
Trap dancehall, it's basically the sound right now, yeah. So he might explain the sound,
Dancehall
alright.
sound. You have to
Which
remember
are basically the sound right now.
yeah, that's just the sound, you know? It's the sound I want to make me a rapper, basically.
So the sound I will make you a rapper, then you're a dancehall artist, then you're a rapper. Me confused right now, me confused. Somebody explain.
Yeah, that's just the sound, you know?
Confused.
It's the sound I want to make me a rapper.
The dancehall artists them with their dancehall, we do trap dancehall. See? Them man there. Them a dancehall artists. Them not consider themselves as rapper. Cause a dancehall them do. The dancehall music changed. The original dancehall from the 90s changed now. You see me? Them call it trap dancehall now, which me love. Me not a problem with that. So the fact you contradict yourself, Byron, it a confuse people, and that's where people have the problem.
The sound right now.
Yeah, that's just the sound, you know? It's the sound I want to make me a rapper, basically.
Them say me nah big up dancehall. Huh?
Them say me not big up dancehall and just like talk. And to me, dog, you don't owe nobody no apology. You don't owe nobody nothing, bro. You're your own man. Let me see that.
So what the fuck them a talk about savvy? And I talk about me no rate nobody. When me have a song with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. And me say dear dancehall, wanna see how news them a carry. No man worry when she not hear from me. Cause them a get me a dark like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Heart full of cut, but I never hear line. Same time and rise, them want me drop the same time. Been a pray for be a rapper since me drop a grade 9. See me deep style and I must ride the wave style. I miss a dear dancehall. How me feel this is same place where me born. That a Kingston, Grand Spent Garrison. Yo, Grand Spent.
Alright. So this is my take on the song. You contradict yourself. Number one, you contradict yourself. Like I explained at the reaction. Now the start of the thing, you say, yo, dancehall you do. Then 1 minute 30, in this video, you say, yo, he's a rapper. He's not a dancehall artist. Then you go back again and say, you're a dancehall. To me, you are what you fucking are. You're a musician. You put up music for it. You understand? You have your fans and you build up your fans base. Concentrate. Load the comments. Loud what people are say. Loud the comments. Loud what people are say. Once you're in the limelight, you are going to get it, bro. You are going to get it. You have to just know how to deal with it. Team. Byron Messia team. Make him understand how them things work. If you don't understand it, explain it to him. Keep him grounded. Keep him focused on the music. We need a catalog of music where the whole of them are hit song. We need a next Taliban. We need a next. So you don't need to explain nothing to nobody, bro. You don't need to explain nothing to. You see, the more you address it, the more people are going to have shit to say. So don't worry about all of that shit. Because the more you address it, the more you do interview and talk about them things, and the more you contradict yourself in my eyes. You understand? So, bro, just do what the fuck you're doing. Do the music. That's what we like you for. That's what we love you for. That's what we rate you for. We want to hear the music. We don't care about your personal life and whatever you do. We don't care about that. We want music. Yeah, that's what we want. See? So, You don't need to explain nothing to no fucking body. You don't need to explain nothing to nobody, bro. You don't owe nobody no obligation. You're your own man. You understand me I say, bro? Yeah, so continue doing what you're doing. Because like I said, the more you talk, the more you're going to contradict what you say. To me, this song is a contradiction because like I say, I explain everything already. I'm not going to go back over it again. Anyway, if me get anything wrong, or if me look on it wrong, guys, the comment section is free. The comment section is open. You understand? But yeah, this time I'm going to leave the one still. If you enjoyed the one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you. Yeah, I will see you in the next one.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst game, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.